This is a little trick I learned a long time ago at a restaurant, but you hold the knife off the edge of the table. That way you can get level with the board. And you just hold it a little bit above. Make a slice into the pepper. Okay, and then you're just going to do a little back and forth. And then unroll the bell pepper. All the membrane is mostly gone. You've got a little bit of an end here for a snack. And then that is just tossed in the trash. And now you can do your julienne, and you're good to go. I'll do it one more time. Again, make a slice, even. You're off the table. And then ta-da!